Hey there, car enthusiasts. If you want to keep your car looking brand new and shiny, you need the right tools for the job. That's where the microfiber car washer sponge comes in. This sponge is an essential tool for car washing and maintenance, and I'm here to tell you all about it. First off, let's talk about the special features. This sponge is soft and smooth, making it perfect for gently cleaning your car without leaving behind any scratches or marks. The material is made of high-quality ABS and nanofibers, ensuring that it is durable and long-lasting. With a diameter of 1 inch and a weight of just 40 grams, this sponge is lightweight and easy to handle. The dimensions of 9.7 inches in length, 2.7 inches in width, and 5 inches in height make it the perfect size for all your car cleaning needs. But that's not all. This versatile sponge can be used for a variety of tasks, from washing and detailing to general maintenance. Its plush chenille microfiber material is designed to provide maximum water absorption, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning process. And the best part? This sponge is suitable for all types of vehicles, from Teslas to Autos to Jeeps and more. It's a universal tool that every car owner needs in their cleaning arsenal. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the microfiber car washer sponge and take the first step towards achieving the perfect car wash every time. Trust me, once you try it, you'll never want to go back to your old cleaning methods. Get yours today and keep your car looking brand new. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more car care tips and tricks.